Tired of messy price lists confusing your customers? In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to create a sleek, professional price list using a drop-down menu in Wix, making it super easy for your visitors to find exactly what they need. First, access the Wix Editor for the site you wish to add the drop-down menu. Now, click the Add button on the left side of the Wix Editor. This opens the Elements panel. Next, scroll down to the Interactive section and click to expand it. You'll see several options. Locate the drop-down menu element, choose a style that suits your site's design, and drag it onto your page where you want your price list to appear. Once the drop-down menu is on your page, click on it. The Settings panel will pop up. Look for the Manage menu or Edit menu option and click it. This will open a window where you can customize the items in your drop-down. Now, it is time to input your price list. Click Add Item to create each option in your drop-down. In the title field, type the name of your product or service. In the description field, you can briefly describe the product, service if needed, and most importantly, add the price. You can use the description field to add the price. Repeat this process for all your products or services. Once you're finished adding all items, rearrange the order of the items by dragging and dropping them into your desired sequence. This helps with organization. Finally, preview your website to make sure the drop-down menu looks exactly how you want it to. If you are satisfied, publish your site, and that's it. You now have a clean and user-friendly price list on your Wix website.